What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from SL Effect. I'm just here to do a short review on this Mucinex product, which is Mucinex. I'll show you guys right. Mucinex Fast Max Severe Congestion and Cough. Now I just bought this yesterday because I've been coughing like crazy for the past couple days, and it feels like there's mucus like stuck, like in my chest that just won't come up. I went on a cruise. I think I told you guys about that. And on that cruise, it was a crap load of people just coughing away. And my family and I were on there. And me and my youngest son happened to get sick. So now I'm going to give this a try. As you can see, it's a brand new bottle. And we just want to see, does Mucinex work? Does this particular Mucinex work? So I'm going to try it out, and I'll give you guys the results. Not that fast, of course, but take it a couple days and see how it works out. But I'm gonna give it a try. First, I know all medicines are like not that tasty, so I'm gonna give this a try, see how it tastes right now. Bear with me. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up. It's got this little tape, I guess, to so you know that nobody tampered with it. It's tamper-proof, I guess. Yeah, comes right off. So I always shake it. A lot of people shake a mess. I don't know, but we do, right? So I'm supposed to take 20 milliliters, which is this little cup right here they give you that comes with it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and there we go. Come on, there we go. Smells good though. That's weird. I mean, like it smells unusually good. Kind of like a tart strawberry cherry flavor type. I'm not mad. So let's see how it tastes. Here goes nothing, guys. Bottoms up. Just like I said, smells good. Doesn't taste terrible, but it's medicine, right? So that's my first dose. It is now 7:35 in the morning. So I will take my next dose at, what is that? 11:35 or 11:30 rather. So I'll keep you guys posted on this product and tell you how good it works, whether it's worth it or not. Hopefully it is, because this mucus is just this cough. I'm gonna show you guys from last night how my cough sounds, like a cough with a wheeze, like it's trying to bring up something but it's not coming up. So I don't mean to be so graphic with it, and I know some people don't like that, but but anyway, that's Mucinex. All right, let me put it in front so you guys can see it. So there it is, Mucinex Fast Max Severe Congestion and Cough. All right, guys, I'll let you guys know how it works. Y'all have a blessed day.
Like I should be doing time management is what I'm saying.